boys and girls, it's Miss Calloway. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching that penguins video. I really like the whole dancing thing with Mr. Jack Hartman, so I hope you guys enjoyed that too. Today for reading and technology, we are going to be making a KWL chart. So I need you to get a manila piece of paper out of your backpack, a pencil, and a marker. Make sure it's the Crayola marker and not the Expo marker. Okay, now to get started, we are going to set up our paper for our KWL chart. So before I tell you what it is, let's go ahead and get our paper set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our paper and we are going to fold it 3 ways. So remember, we are going to be folding it, I guess in a sense, hamburger style. We're not going to go this way. Remember, that's hot dog. We're going to go hamburger. So I'm actually going to put this one kind of in the middle right here. Then I'm going to put this one on top. I'm going to fold them down. And I should have my paper just like this. Now, after you put the folds in your paper, you're going to get your marker, and I'm just going to go all the way down on these lines. This is going to help me when I write, so my ideas and my thoughts are organized. After I put my lines on the folds, I'm going to put a K here, a W, and a L. Okay, so if you didn't know, a KWL chart means what we know, what we want to know, and what we learned. So after watching, well, I guess before watching the penguin video, what did you know about penguins? When I think about penguins, I know that these penguins do not fly. So over here, I'm going to put penguins. Do not fly. What else do I know about penguins? Well, first, I'm going to go over this and trace this and marker. Don't do this, guys. I'm just doing this so you can see it better in the video. Here we go. That's so much better. Okay. I know penguins do not fly. I also know that penguins are black. They are black. And I know for sure penguins can swim. So they can swim. Okay, so my K is for what they know, or what I know. Now W means, well, K is what I know, W is what I want to know. Now I'm gonna think to myself, what do I want to know about penguins? I wanna know, what do they eat? So I'm gonna put what do they eat? Remember your question mark because we're asking a question. What do they eat? I want to know, do penguins lay eggs like a chicken? Do they lay eggs? I want to know, where do they live? Do they live on the North Pole? I don't know. let's say here. Where do they live? Okay, so we figured out our K. This is what we do know. We know that penguins do not fly. They are black. They can swim. We want to know, what do they eat? Do they lay eggs? Where do they live? So what you're going to do right now is you're going to click the video down in the slide where the penguins are. You're going to watch that video. When you're done, I want you to come back over here and write down 3 facts or 3 new things that you learned about penguins. Have fun, guys. And when you're done, submit it on Seesaw so I can see what you did.